Hey folks, welcome to Sawnee Mountain Motors Online. Selling my 2022 Kodiak 750 SE, gray in color. Got a bunch of extra add-ons that I put on it when I bought it brand new. The thing has never been in the mud, never been off-roaded. It's got a bunch of stuff I added. It only has 8.9 hours and 40 miles. Four-wheel drive. I bought this particular one because you can lock all four front and rear differentials together, so you get a true four-wheel drive. I added the front box, the rear box. It's never been really cleaned or detailed because it's never been in the dirt. It's been sitting in my garage for a couple years. The grandkids aren't crazy about it, so I bought a side-by-side. But anyone who knows anything about these, when you look at the rear suspension and everything, you can tell that hasn't been cleaned. It's never been dirty. This truly is just like a brand new unit. You'll see we have the A-arm guards in the rear, got the trailer hitch on it, the rear rack with the box. Like I said, 8.9 hours, 40 miles, and that's really 99% of that is on road around my house in Dahlonega, Georgia. And the rest of it is, there is a little dirt road that I did ride up and down a few times with the grandkids. But you can see those are the original tires. They show zero wear. The thing is absolutely like brand new. It's got the front winch on it that I had put on there. Let me turn this thing on so you can see the... There you go, 40 miles. It's up to 9.0 hours moving it around the lot here. Call me anytime on my cell, 404-867-5028. I want to get this thing moving. My side-by-side is going to be delivered next Wednesday. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Call me again. Bye.